Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mercury for insurance fintech expense tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Mercury for insurance fintech expense tracking, start by visiting the Mercury website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once your email is verified, log in to your new Mercury account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find an option to set up your business account. Select the type of account that best suits your insurance fintech needs. Fill out the necessary details, including your business name and any relevant identification information. Link your bank account by providing your banking details for easy transfers and expense tracking. Review and accept the terms of service to proceed. Once your account is set up, explore the expense tracking features available. Navigate to the Expenses tab on the left-hand menu. To add a new expense, click on the Add Expense button. Enter the date, amount, and a brief description of the expense. Assign a category to help organize your expenses effectively. If you wish to upload a receipt, click on the Upload button and select the file from your device. Double-check the information entered for accuracy before saving. After saving, you'll see your expense reflected in the dashboard. To view reports, go to the Reports section for an overview of your spending. Regularly monitor your expenses to maintain financial health in your insurance fintech operations. Feel free to explore additional integrations and tools Mercury provides for enhanced tracking and management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.